been a while, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's been good. Hope you enjoyed our last video on the potato harvest. Today I'm gonna do a video on some cool bananas. We've got about 6 plants in here in one pot, and the roots growing out the bottom as well. So we're gonna separate the plants and get them evenly repotted in new pots, and hopefully you'll be able to see a rack of bananas from the mother plant sometime soon. We have the Dwarf Cavendish, and it's grown pretty well, I would say. The leaves are looking really lush and large. I would hate to stuff it up, but I'm gonna do my best, and hopefully we can get a few separate plants from here and get some fruits from the trees. We have the camera lady coming through now. She's been doing her homework, so now it's sunset time and I want to try and get some work in. So let's get started.
I finished 2 science assessments. Yes. What?
Alia busy with camera.
Naughty, Aya.
Why?
No.
You're naughty.
Naughty.
So come here. Why are you naughty? Why are you naughty? Where's Ariane? Go and swim with Ariane.
No, yours it. Sweet, Aya. Sweet.
Aya swim later.
Yes,
No, Aya swim later. You go swim with Ariane. Go swim with Ariane. Ariane, can you take her and take her swim with you? Well, I can eat her. Is it go? Ariana jumping.
I told them. Yeah. I am Essie. I am Nana. I am Essie.
Mama.
It's so bright. It's wrong. Where are you going to put that? I am Essie. Nana.
No touchy, Essie, Nana. Essie, get off it, Sana. Thank you.
Thank you.
Go away. Are you going in there?
You get this flower.
Yeah, and you saw So as you can see here, guys, we've got this out of the pot, and majority of the root is going in circles, and it's pretty root bound. So we're going to do our best and separate this from leaving behind the mother plant. We're going to move maybe 2 of them. So I'm going to figure out the 2 best to come off. I think this and the smaller ones as well will come off. And we might take this off as well and leave 2 behind. But we'll see how it goes. So we can either cut it, or best would be to cut it. So let's try to do that now. So I don't see any better
This
alternative.
one feels nice.
I don't see a better way to get this out, guys. I think we're gonna do some cake cutting style. Hopefully we don't wreck the plant. Here goes nothing, guys. Alright,
Voila.
so guys, I'm pretty sure majority of the roots are from the other stuff, but that's the best I can do right now, and hopefully survives. Trying to figure out
My leg.
where most of the roots come from.
Ready.
So I'm assuming this whole thing just goes in here. That's it, guys. We give this a good water and keep it moist, and hopefully it'll form new roots.
Yeah, move. Cake cutting action currently at the moment.
Or Tate. Tate? And after you finish doing this, then water. What? What? I was standing myself. Now I don't need to hold it. It's spilling. But that's the other soil. Now I need to wet it.
Has its own roots, so it'll most likely pull through.
Yeah.
family action.
Oh, oh no.
Oh
No
no.
roots. No roots.
Mini banana with no roots. My dad said it was alright.
So guys, here we have the mother plant, the original, the one which was initially planted, and we've separated it from the rest of the family so that each pup can find its own roots and survive on its own. So each of those pups will also be producing more pups, which means more plants. So now we've got about 7 plants, and that means 7 more banana trees in the garden, and I only paid for 1, so it's buy 1 get 6 free, and that's great because hopefully this will not feel any stress and build some new roots, because pretty much when I put this back in, it was just the central portion of it. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm not sure if the mother is going to survive, but good vibes. Hopefully it will pull through, and maybe the survival instinct will inform the plant to shoot some new fruiting flowers from the central stalk, and we'll find out soon whether we are going to have a survivor or what. And that's the same with the rest of them. These are the babies.
And
We've
one
got
in the front
4
greenhouse.
plus 5 plus 1 in the front greenhouse, so that's about 6. And the small one here is going to go in the front greenhouse as well, or the back. I think we'll put this one in the front because we run out of space in the back. And the bigger ones, they're going to have to hang out here for a while till they can get strong and steady, and the roots need to start filling up the pots. But yeah, I'm pretty positive for these guys. They have a whole bunch of root system going on. I didn't decimate everything, but I'm sure I've done pretty much a major shock treatment for these guys, and maybe some sea salt tomorrow once they settled in, and fingers crossed they come back. I've heard good stories about banana pups making it. Obviously they need some roots, and without roots they can't grow. So these guys, they've pretty much got a lot of roots. The mother, however, was left with one major root system in the bottom, which fingers crossed is enough, because I don't know, this is my first time separating them. I'm pretty sure I waited a little bit longer than normally would, but they have root systems, so I'm not expecting negative results. I'm hoping and praying and looking forward to some positive results and some fruits from the potted banana trees. The other thing that worries me is, you can see guys, the wind. Right now they are all very unstable because they've just been potted in and have lost major part of their roots, which makes me wonder if it's a good idea to leave it out here. But there isn't much I can do. I cannot take them inside to my living room and keep them in my house because that's insane. And outside the greenhouses are packed, and the only option is keep it here, and fingers crossed it won't be too windy. You can see it's just cleared up around us, but right there's some clouds coming through. I don't mind a bit of rain, but definitely mind the wind, and bananas don't love wind too much. So fingers crossed. As I said, let's hope everything goes well. You can check out some of the other videos while you're here. We have a potato harvest video, and I'm gonna be potting up some potatoes soon as well. It's time to do some reseeding and get the next batch of crops ready. Thanks for watching. The light's out. It's time to go inside before the mozzies get us. Have a nice evening, guys. Stay safe.
And stay green.
Stay green, and don't forget to like, comment, share,
and subscribe.
You heard it from Alia D. Cheers.